If you're looking for a side hustle where you can make $30,000 in just 90 days, you need to become a tax preparer. All you need is an EIN, LLC, and a business bank account, and you can literally open up your tax business within a few weeks. So this video is going to be all about becoming a tax preparer as your side hustle, and I'm going to get straight into it on how you can do this step by step. So tip one that I have for you is once you decide, hey, I want to be a tax preparer, I know you're probably wondering, what all do I need to do? Do I need any type of certificate, setup, all that kind of great stuff? All you need is your EFIN. So starting out, your EFIN is going to be your e-filing number for you to file taxes as a business, and that allows you to file anyone's taxes as a business of your totally own. So you don't have to worry about being under anyone else's company, splitting any fees, because I'm going to show you how to set up your own tax business by getting your EFIN. Next, you're going to get your PTIN. That is your tax preparer filing number. That just allows you to file people's taxes as a tax preparer in general. Usually people will get these to work under someone else's company, but again, because I'm helping you set up your EFIN and get your PTIN, you will have your totally own tax business within about 30 to 60 days once all your applications have been approved. So the next thing that you're going to need is going to be a business bank account. Now, starting out with your tax business, you have a few options. You can actually start out with just doing a DBA and an EIN number to open up a business bank account. Then once you get your money from the year of doing taxes, you later on move forward with getting your LLC. Now, if you want to just go straight into the LLC option, no worries, you can do that as well. You're going to get the LLC, your EIN number, and then you'll go and open up your business bank account, because we want to make sure that all our tax money, the $30,000 or more that we're going to make in 90 days, is going to go directly in our business bank account, so we know exactly what we made to make sure we haven't missed any of our payouts or anything of that nature. So we got our EFIN. We put in our application for the EFIN, which is free. You do have to do some fingerprinting, and they do a background check for that. We did our PTIN. That was only $25. And then we went ahead and did our setup so that we can open up our business bank account. Now our business is formed, and the next thing we need to go into is going to be the software. You're going to need a software for your tax business so that you can file multiple people's tax returns. This is not where you want to go with just doing TurboTax. You want to operate as a professional business to make the process easier for you and your clients. So that's where I come in again to provide you with the tax software that I use. So in my actual training, I'm going to show you how to do the data entry for you to put in people's documents to file their taxes. I'm also going to teach you the background information about the tax laws, like when you should be choosing a filing status, what documentation people need to bring you if they did, took money out of their 401k, if they got unemployment. I'm going to give you the background of the laws you have to follow to file people's taxes as a tax preparer, as well as teach you how to enter all the information so you can guarantee that you're legally maximizing your client's refund based on all the tax laws and credits that are available to them. So I'm teaching you again all of this stuff in my tax training because I am actually a tax software provider. I provide you with the software, I provide you with the training, and then I also assist you with getting your business set up and structured. I'm also going to teach you marketing. So that's the next thing we need to get into. We've structured our tax business. We've gotten our business bank account. We have gotten our software, and we're learning the background of what we need to do to file taxes. But you have to be able to get in tax clients. So the next thing we're going to go over is going to be the marketing. So the first thing that I like for you to decide is, what channels do you want to use to market? Do you want to use social media, as in Instagram or Facebook posts? Do you want to have word of mouth clients where you're focusing mostly on people that you know personally that are bringing in you clients? There's also another option where you can do like signs in your area. So you can do like car signs. You can do the signs that you put in the ground. You can put flyers on people's windows, just things like that, hand out flyers in person. And then some people also take the option of doing ads. Whatever your marketing tactic is that you think that you want to start out with, I'm pretty much here to help you facilitate that and grow it. Of course, I know how to market on social media. I also have a lot of word of mouth clients. I have put out signs and things before near my actual location to bring in more customers. And I've dibbled and dabbled a bit in ads. So I'm here to help you take your marketing for the business to the next level. Overall, the biggest thing for me is inside my program, I don't just give you a login and wish you luck and tell you to go watch my tutorial videos. I'm actually giving you hands-on training on Zoom. We're going to go through everything step by step. You have full access to my course, but I also give you guys real documents to test out with putting clients in the system, whether they have a W-2, unemployment, if they had children that went to daycare. I'm going to literally take you through every step of filing a client's tax return, and then also how to better assist them with maximizing their refund, how you can better assist them with actually getting their payment. And then I'm going to also help you with setting things up so that you can offer your clients the advanced loans as well, because that is a great marketing tactic to bring people in that want to get some money now while they're waiting on their tax return to be completely released. So it is a step-by-step process of me helping you throughout the season. You will never have to guess once the season starts. I am here to help you. If you have a client you're unsure of, you just pretty much will tell me that client name. I'll go in the software, I look over everything before you submit anybody. So I'm here to guide you throughout this process without you really just signing up for something, paying me some money, and then you on your own. So if you are ready to start your tax prepared journey and you've liked the information I've given you so far, just comment below. I'm ready, and I will send you the information to join Rose Tax Academy. The link to join Rose Tax Academy will, of course, be in the description for you guys. And I really hope that you join the program because I have had several of my students be successful with making $30,000 within just 90 days. The tax season starts on January the 2nd and it ends usually around April the 15th. So within that time frame, I have seen multiple of my tax repairs make 30,000 or more in that time, and I'll be sure to add some testimonials from some of my girls on here, girls and guys that have joined my program. They filed people's taxes, they've made the money. Just like, for example, Victoria, she is in my program. She joined while she was 8 months pregnant. January the 2nd, she hit the ground running and she made her investment back within 3 days of actually joining my community with the tax training. So at 8 months pregnant, she was able to make $30,000 within just 90 days. And she even said herself that had she not been pregnant, she could have made even more money. So I'm going to put her testimonial here on the screen. And that's just a testament for y'all to know there's nothing that can hold you back if you are serious about making this money. And I don't care if it's an extra $10,000, $15,000, or $30,000 that you're adding to your income. With the current times, we have to be proactive about bringing in extra income. So y'all wanted some side hustles, and here is one for you. You need to become a tax preparer today. If you've made it to the end of this video, please let me know that you did and comment "I made it" in the comment section. If you have any questions about becoming a tax preparer or getting things set up so that you can become one, drop them in the comments. I'm more than happy to answer you guys' questions. If you decide you do want to join, you will actually just click the link in the description and you're going to make payment and you're going to book your first call with me, because the first thing that I do out the gate is I'm going to help you set up your EFIN and your PTIN, and then I'm going to give you the actual upcoming dates for our next training so that I can get you rolling with everything that you need to do to be successful in your tax business. This video helped you and it sparked your interest in becoming a tax preparer. Please drop in the comments I made it so I know that you stayed to the end. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and binge watch my other videos so that you can start building your business and your side hustles today. I'll be sure to link my side hustle playlist above. Thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.